I was able to participate on the 3 amendments that have been brought by the government about the farmers concerned. Sir,
कृपया मास्क लगा ले सर.
the government is to double the income of the farmers by 2022. That is the main object and the goal of the Prime Minister and also the Honorable Agricultural Minister. I have gone through the reply. Please, I am
प्लीज आप बैठ करना बोले माननीय दीदी बड़ी साथ है प्लीज नथिंग विल गो ऑन रिकॉर्ड प्लीज
my own
ಸರ್ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು ನಿಯಮ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೋವರೆಗೆ ಹಂಗೆ ನಿಯಮ
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್
The first day when I was allowed to take vote, my pet subject which has been introduced by the Honorable Agricultural Minister is about the farmers. That is not the new issue for me. In 1991, when I entered the Parliament, for the first time, after 3 decades of as an MLA and a leader of the opposition, as Minister for PWD and Irrigation, and I entered because in 89 I was defeated, 91 I came to Lok Sabha. The issue is that I am not the only person who concerned with the farmers. Entire house, whether they belongs to ruling party or the opposition party or various regional parties, all of us concerned with the farmers. Farmers are the backbone of this country. I am not going to elaborate all these things, but when I came to Parliament, the economic reforms were introduced by Dr. Manmohan Singh as a finance minister. Sir, there was some type of suspicion that the reforms were introduced and also Dr. Manmohan Singh is finance minister. We are going to remove fertilizer subsidy in a phased manner, and ultimately we are going to remove the fertilizer subsidy. Dr. Manmohan Singh also said on various reforms, late Atal Bihari Vajpayee, as the leader of the opposition, he expressed, I still remember, it is the IMF and the World Bank budget presented by our finance minister. This type of comments, criticism were made by the former Prime Minister, late Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Why I am initially mentioning all these things? Sir, as a farmer, I am a tiller, a small tiller. I am really concerned on these issues from my life. The whole of my life I have fought this battle. So the point is, when once on a phased program we are going to remove the fertilizer subsidy, I was very much agitated and I went to the extent of sitting in the well for the first time in my life of 6 decades of politics.
Please conclude, sir.
Sir, on that day, Digvijay Singh was also there. He was the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh. I took a strong stand. There must be a committee to examine how the farmers were exploited and the fertilizer companies were going to be benefited this type of system. Sir, it is a very long history. Then the committee was formed by the government. I was also one of the members. Even there, I observed how the farmers are going to be exploited and the producers, companies are going to be benefited. This is the exploitation. So now, I am not going to the several issues which I have dealt in my career in the last 25 years. As a member of Lok Sabha, of course, for a short period, I was the member of Rajya Sabha.
Please conclude, sir.
Sir, I have got, no, please, sir, our chairman also, he is coming from the farmers' family. Our honorable chairman, who is now administered the oath on about my entry to this house, he is also one of the person who fought for the farmers' issues. And you also come from Bihar. You also know much more than me, and I am not going to make any issue on only we are concerned, not other members of the BJP or Congress. Everybody is concerned, but they have got their own ideas. Now the point is, our Honorable Agricultural Minister,
Conclude, sir, now. Please conclude.
I can quote, he has conducted several meetings with all stakeholders, including corporates and the farmers. All these things I have gone through. I am not going to suddenly jump to the conclusion our Honorable Agricultural Minister is not concerned or serious about this issue. So my only apprehension is one of the central fear of the farmers is that the ordinance may be employed and peculiar to phase out grain procurement at minimum support price, MSP. This is perceived to throw them to the mercy
Please conclude, sir. Please conclude now.
of corporators. Give place. Point.
Please conclude now.
Given the history of the reforms in our country, which has already been farmer-centric and suspicious of the farming community, may not be misplaced. And I would like to clearly mention about what has happened in the past. Since the ordinance...
Sir, please conclude. Please conclude.
Raising pandemic, there appears to be widespread doubt. Therefore, it is imperative that the Prime Minister comes to forward, spell out the government's true intention unambiguously, why the hurry and why during the pandemic. He should explain what these three bills will do the farming community in the short and long term and how it would achieve the government.
Please conclude now. Please conclude.
Doubling the farmers' income. Sir, even we discussed this bill, it is important that we think a permanent commission for the farming sector which would continuously look at the work on the grievances. The commission should produce a biannual socio-economic audit of the farming sector for the parliament to discuss. Sir, the Niti Aayog, he has used express recommendation, whatever you call. The Niti Aayog, it is in its strategy for New India 75, document released in December 2018, had suggested that the government should consider replacing this. Sir, I want to quote what the Niti Aayog has said. Commission on Agricultural Cost and Prices, CACP.
Your time is already over, sir. It's over.
Niti
Please.
Aayog is not me. Niti Aayog what has said. I am going to quote this.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. It's
Not to waste my time, or neither I don't want to encroach upon the time of others. I only request.
Thank you, sir.
Deputy
Thank you, sir.
Chairman, please, sir.
thank you.
This is,
Thank you, sir.
this is the last leg of my career, most probably. I don't want to go to all these things, but
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
please, sir, I have seen enough. Again, the strengthens the doubt of the farmers.
Sir, please, I'm calling other speaker now. Please stop, sir. Please stop.
Regime may be sooner than later. The tribunal
भेज दिया,
farmers may
भेज
be
दिया।
necessary, but
Sir,
should not be at the cost of the replacing the body and that determines the MSP. Interestingly, the government has proposed
Honorable Deogola ji, please conclude. I'm moving to other speaker now.
reforms they are trying to bring about in the agricultural sector will throw the farmers into the will through.
Honorable Deogola ji, thank you. Thank you.
I can only, with your permission,
Honorable Sri Ahmed Patel ji, Honorable Ahmed Patel ji, please. अब आप बोले, खत्म हो चुका है. Please, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, sorry, 6 minutes.
8 मिनट
6 minutes.